Hello and welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we will delve into the various types of security assessments that play a crucial role in ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of an organization's assets. These assessments are essential in identifying potential weaknesses, understanding risk levels, and validating that security controls are effective and aligned with the organization's overall security framework. Security assessments serve as the cornerstone of a proactive security strategy, providing organizations with the necessary insights to continuously strengthen their defenses. Whether identifying potential threats, ensuring compliance with regulations, or testing the efficacy of security measures, these assessments are integral to maintaining a robust security posture. To ensure that an organization remains protected from cyber threats, it is vital to conduct various forms of assessments regularly. These assessments help organizations identify areas that need improvement and implement necessary changes to enhance security. The three primary types of security assessments are audits, reviews, and tests. Each of these assessments plays a different yet complementary role in identifying and mitigating security risks, and they should be viewed as an integrated approach to security assurance. Let's take a closer look at each of them. A security audit is a comprehensive evaluation of an organization's security measures. This type of assessment typically involves a detailed inspection of the organization's systems, policies, and procedures. The purpose of an audit is to verify whether security measures are functioning as intended, whether they align with internal policies and external regulatory requirements, and whether the organization is adequately protected against potential threats. Audits can be internal or external, with external audits often conducted by third-party experts who provide an unbiased perspective on the organization's security posture. The process involves examining documentation, reviewing access controls, evaluating data protection measures, and identifying vulnerabilities that could lead to security breaches. Audits provide a high-level, structured approach to understanding an organization's security and its alignment with industry best practices. The process involves examining documentation, reviewing access controls, evaluating data protection measures, and identifying vulnerabilities that could lead to security breaches. Audits provide a high-level, structured approach to understanding an organization's security and its alignment with industry best practices. Audits are generally formal and thorough, providing an authoritative review of an organization's board's security environment. The findings of an audit are typically documented in a detailed report that highlights areas for improvement and provides actionable recommendations. These findings may range from simple gaps in compliance to more complex systemic issues that require extensive remediation. Audits are often scheduled at regular intervals, but they can also be triggered by specific events, such as regulatory changes, a security incident, or the implementation of new systems. The regularity of audits helps ensure that an organization's security posture remains up to date and in compliance with evolving security regulations. One key benefit of audits is their ability to evaluate the organization from a policy and procedural standpoint, ensuring that the controls are not only present, but are actively working as intended. Security reviews, on the other hand, are a more focused type of assessment than audits. Reviews typically evaluate a specific aspect of an organization's security posture. Unlike audits, reviews do not generally provide an in-depth, all-encompassing evaluation of all security measures. Instead, they concentrate on specific areas of concern, such as network security, access controls, or vulnerability management practices. A review may also be used to assess the effectiveness of changes made to an organization's security infrastructure. For example, after implementing a new security tool or changing the organization's firewall policies, a review can be conducted to verify that the modifications are functioning as expected and are addressing the identified security risks. Reviews are often less formal and less detailed than audits, but they can provide timely and valuable insights into the security status of specific aspects of the organization's operations. Reviews typically provide a snapshot of the security measures in place at any given moment, helping organizations identify any gaps in their defenses or areas where enhancements are required. For instance, if an organization has introduced new software to protect against phishing attacks, a review might focus specifically on whether the software is blocking phishing attempts as intended and whether it is seamlessly integrated into the broader security infrastructure. Reviews are often conducted more frequently than audits because of their narrower scope and their ability to address specific security concerns that may arise more regularly. A security test is a proactive, hands-on assessment that actively simulates attacks to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in an organization's security systems. Security testing typically involves activities such as penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and red team exercises, which actively attempt to exploit weaknesses in systems to understand how they could be compromised. Testing provides a dynamic view of an organization's security by identifying exploitable vulnerabilities and weaknesses in real time. Unlike audits and reviews, which are often based on theoretical or policy-based evaluations, security tests mimic real-world attacks, making them a critical component of an organization's security assurance program. Penetration testing is one of the most well-known types of security testing. During penetration testing, ethical hackers simulate cyber attacks on an organization's systems to uncover vulnerabilities that malicious actors could exploit. Penetration tests can be conducted on various layers of the IT infrastructure, including network security, application security, and physical security. The goal is to identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by cyber criminals. Vulnerability scanning, another form of testing, uses automated tools to scan systems for known vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and weaknesses that might leave the organization open to exploitation. Vulnerability scanners can help identify patches that need to be applied or configurations that require adjustment to reduce exposure to risk. Red team exercises are another form of security testing that simulates a full-scale attack on the organization, testing not only the systems, but also the response capabilities of the security team. Red team exercises often go beyond traditional penetration testing by simulating tactics used by real-world attackers, including social engineering, phishing, and physical infiltration. The goal of these exercises is to test the organization's resilience to a multi-layered attack and to identify how well the security team can detect, respond to, and recover from a simulated breach. Security tests provide valuable feedback on how systems will perform under attack, helping organizations shore up their defenses before an actual breach occurs. The goal of these exercises is to test the organization's resilience to a multi-layered attack and to identify how well the security team can detect, respond to, and recover from a simulated breach. Security tests provide valuable feedback on how systems will perform under attack, helping organizations shore up their defenses before an actual breach occurs. To summarize, audits, reviews, and tests each serve a unique role in the security assessment process, and together they form a holistic approach to protecting an organization from cyber threats. Audits provide a thorough examination of an organization's security measures and compliance. Reviews offer a more focused look at specific areas, and tests actively simulate attacks to uncover vulnerabilities. By combining these assessments, organizations can ensure they are prepared for a wide range of security challenges, making their defenses stronger and more resilient against evolving threats. Regular use of these assessments provides ongoing insights that help organizations manage their security risk effectively. Without such continuous evaluation, an organization would struggle to maintain a robust defense against the ever-growing landscape of cyber threats.